Welcome back guys, this is my fourth tutorial and today we are going to create this image comparison slider. You can create many effects like blur or invert or anything you like. So let's dive into our VS Code. So let's get started. So let's create a parent div with class name image slider, and let's create input range with the class name range and value to 50. And let's create two divs, front and back, and let's assign empty style inline for the front div, and let's add our style sheet. So let's create CSS. So let's create image slider. Let's create the input range. You can see the changes affected right side in the browser. And let's make this appearance to none. So we have only the thumb slider. So let's style this thumb slider. So let's make this also WebKit appearance to none. So let's give the background black. You can see the changes in the browser. Let's create front and back divs. Let's make this to position absolute and with 200% and height to 600 px. Let's import the background image. You can see the image in the browser. So let's make this to cover so you can see the full image. So let's send this back div behind the front div. So first make it to grayscale and the z index to 0, so it will go behind the front div. So we are going to do this dynamically, like on input is equal to this dot next element sibling. The next element sibling is the front div, which is right after the input range. So what we are going to do is we are assigning the style dot width of this front div is equal to this dot value. So whenever we move the slider, the value of the slider will be appended to the width of the front div. So let's assign the style is equal to width is to 50% initially. Now just watch in the dev tools how the width changes when we move the slider. You can see how it increases and decreases. So this is a very simple trick. So let's try few more things like blur 5px. You can move the slider. And let's try invert. So this is very simple and easy trick. So let's revert back this to original grayscale. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.